You are given with a question that suppose you are very hungry, your teacher gave you the following things. Number one, 5 pieces of wood with same dimensions. Number two, bowl. Number three, a metal box. Number four, black paint. Number five, brush. Number six, a glass of dimension as that of the wood. Number seven, an incline holder. Number eight, a plain mirror. Number nine, the ingredients of your food. Suppose you like to consume Maggie. So one bowl, some water and Maggie ingredients. And there is one note given. The teacher has not given any combustible substance like matchsticks, etc. So the question is that can you make food with these items? Give reasons. Draw a available diagram of your system. At first, we will try to know what is a incline holder. A incline holder is a type of holder which will hold an object inclined at a certain angle. Suppose you keep the inclined holder like this and then you can place something on this to make the object inclined at this angle. Suppose this is theta. So this particular incline holder will help you to hold the object at an angle of theta. So let's start. So with these components, we will try to make a solar cooker. So let's see. At first, it is told that 5 pieces of wood with same dimensions are taken. So let us draw. This wood is only for structural support. This wood is used for structural support. Like this, it is taken. I told 5 because this one I have drawn only the outline. In the back and in the front, there will be 2 other pieces also. So total 5 pieces. Next, we are given with wool. Wool, it is a type of some sort of insulator. So we will draw that. Suppose this one is the wool. Okay. Next, we are given with a metal box and a black paint and a black brush. We know that the black color is a good absorber of the radiation. So this will help us cook food more efficiently. So we will take the metal box like this. So we will take a metal box. Let me take another color. Uh, yes. So this one is the metal box. We gave a layer of insulator between the pieces of wood and this metal box, which is colored black. Okay. So we will paint the metal box with a black paint to make it a good absorber of the radiation coming from the sun. Here we are seeing that we are giving a layer of insulator, that is the wool, between the metal box painted in black color and the wood, which is made for structural support. So we have come we are complete with these ingredients. These ingredients. Not this ingredient, this component. Okay. And brush also. So we are only left with the glass of dimension as that of the wood. This glass will act as a cover. Let me show you. Uh, yes. If you take it smaller than dimension of the wood, then it would get fit into this box. So it will no more act as a cover. So this one is a mirror. Now we will take the incline holder like this. Suppose it is of black color, blue color. Okay, this one is the incline holder. And then we will take the plane mirror, which will act as a reflector. Which will act as a reflector means which will reflect the rays coming from the sun and fit it in the in this incline holder. So let's take it. Yes. So this is our mirror. So not a well level diagram. This one is just a rough diagram in order to explain. And then we'll open the box and then keep our food stuff which is to be cooked. Okay, I'm doing it like this. Yes. Let's give it a yellow color. Yes. So this one is a rough diagram which I made. So we will again revise this components. 5 pieces of wood with same dimensions for structural support, wool used as an insulator, a plain metal box, black paint, and a brush. So the brush and the black paint is used to paint the metal box in black color to make it a good absorber of radiation. A glass is kept over the structure in order in order to make a cover. Then we have fixed the incline holder on the glass slab, and then we have fit a plain mirror with the incline holder with our with our with a fixed angle. I hope that you have understood the question. Now let us give the answer. So the answer would be yes, we can cook. Using the following components. Yes, we can cook it, the food. Have to give reason. Our teacher has not given any matchsticks. So how we will give heat or how we will cook the food? With the help of solar energy, we are able to cook the food using the above noted components. Okay. Given below. Means we will draw it later. First, let us understand. See, suppose let me take yellow color. Yes, this one is a sun. Okay, I'm just doing a rough drawing. Sun rays are coming. I'm not leveling this one as it is a rough drawing. We know that many rays come from the sun, but some of the important rays are that is means on short form. Let us see. G stands for gamma rays. X, which stands for X-ray. Then comes U, which stands for ultraviolet ray. Next come V, which is visible ray. Next comes I, which is infrared rays, which we will be using in this procedure. This helps in heating effect. So this ray is particularly used in our system. Next comes M, which is microwave. And last but not the least, R stands for radio waves. Okay. So here we will be only using this infrared, means this will be used in our system. Okay. I'm rubbing it. So let's write here. With the help of the infrared ray, we can give or supply the heat energy or the solar energy to our food stuff, which will help us to cook it. Okay. All of us are known to a word or term, greenhouse effect. Yes, the rays of the sun comes to the earth, then it gets reflect after it reaches the crust of the earth, but get traps due to a gas known as carbon dioxide. So here, in place of carbon dioxide, we are using glass, which means which will let all of the rays I told previously, but only will trap the infrared ray, which will help us to cook the food. Used in our system is traps the infrared ray coming from the sun. Yes. So simple answer. And yes, why we are using a plain mirror here? All of these ingredients we came to know about up to this one. Incline holder, I told that it is used to hold a object at a certain angle. I showed you. A plain mirror, why? In order to increase the efficiency of our solar cooker. Okay, first let us write we have to construct a solar cooker which will help us to cook the food. Coming. The mirror, not the glass, the mirror, a plain mirror instead. Mirror means having means one side of the mirror is one side of the glass is silvered in order to make it a mirror. So the mirror increases the efficiency of the mirror increases the efficiency of the system. It will reflect the sun rays towards the system. Okay. So this will give more heat to the food, thus the food will be cooked well and it will be cooked rapidly. So now let us draw a rough diagram. Means not a rough diagram, it is told a available diagram. So let us draw now. Previously I drawn a rough diagram, don't copy this one. Yes. So yes. Yes. Draw. Now we would be giving it a realistic effect. So I will use a gradient, not texture. Looking good. Looking good now. Okay. Yes. Now we will insert the wool or the insulator. Let's do like this. Place it here, here. I will label it later. At first, let me draw. Okay. Yes. Why insulator? This will trap the amount of heat, just as the thermoflask work. No. Let us bring more wool by only pressing Ctrl plus V. Yes. This one is extra, so remove it. Yes. Now we will take the metal box painted with black color, which will be used as a good source of absorbing the radiation coming from the sun. Yes. The lid should be open. Not like this. Yes. Shape outline. Let me give it. Yes. No. Black. Yes. One thing here I cannot do. The upper part of the mirror won't be there. So we have removed the upper part of the mirror. Now we will take a glass. Let give it a realistic effect. I think this would be better. Yes. Have you completed writing this one? And then you may write. Yes. PDF. So now you can see. Okay, here is the diagram. Let's draw once more because I was facing internet problems. Yes. Sorry for inconvenience. Let's draw fast, okay? Make it bold, make it black. Remove the shade. Okay. Then take one mirror, and not mirror, glass. Give it a realistic effect. Now you're making the incline holder. Color it in. Yes. Okay. Done. And now we will take a mirror. Right. Place. Okay. Color, give it a realistic effect. Let uh, let's give it this color. So now I will be describing this one. Okay, this one, Yes. Now it's okay. So let us draw the sun rays. Coming here. Only certain rays we are drawing. Here, here, here. Glass is a transparent object, so it will allow all light to pass through it. And here, reflecting. Okay, we come here. Not touching the incident rays to the mirror because it would be congested. And the food stuff is kept in this box. Yes. As is a Maggie, so we'll color. Okay. So now we will label it. Let us write quickly. This one, mirror. Incline holder. First, let us draw the arrows. This one will be glass. Slab. This one, wood. This one, wool. This one, metal box painted with black color. This one, food stuff. Oops. Sun rays. Carrying all the type of rays I told you. This one is our source of energy, sun. I hope you liked this session and enjoyed it. Okay, you may take a screenshot. Also take screenshot. So We will end here.